Hi guys, you're watching Arc Habitu, especially for young, innovative minds. So, yes, we are up to mock test 2 of Nata strategy day number 4. Okay, I hope in Telegram almost 80 of you have downloaded the file. So, I hope those 80 might have done it fully. Anyway, some of them had questions in the chat box or comment box. Part A, question number 1, and part A, question number 4 and 3, and part B, the arithmetic aptitude question, and 6th, 5th, and 8th question. Okay, I will clarify all those doubts in this video. Okay, so coming to the video. First of all, part B, I think for the first question, no one has any doubt, but if anybody was shy to ask doubts, for them I will give you a hint. Here you need to have this formula Q is equal to NE. You know E 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 Coulomb, and Q is given as minus 1, and hence you will get the answer for N. Okay, so that's the thing. And coming to the next question, maximum kinetic energy of a photoelectron varies with frequency nu of incident radiation as. So for this question, you should have in mind Einstein's photoelectric equation. What is Einstein's photoelectric equation? It is h nu is equal to h nu 0 plus ek. Now make this equation into the form of the lines equation y is equal to mx plus c. Now you will have an x-intercept. So obviously the answer will be either this or this, but you don't have any y-intercept, so the answer will be definitely D. Okay. Moving on to the next third question. Number of atoms present in 0.1 moles of triatomic gas. So actually no one asked any doubt, but I will give you a hint if anybody was shy to ask the doubt. So for 1 mole of triatomic gas, the number of atoms will be 3 into Avogadro number. And for 0.1, hence will be 0.1 times this quantity. Okay. Now the next question is find the incorrect statement for a nucleophile. So a nucleophile is a Lewis acid. Let me check. No, right? So actually first option itself is incorrect. So we can go with the first option. Now fifth question also, fifth question 1 has a doubt. I think Ramamurthy, someone like that. I don't remember. So in a class, 40% of the students study maths and science, and 60% of them study maths. So 40%, 60%, etc. So P of M intersection S is given as 40%. So converting into probability, it will be 0.4, right? And we also know P of M, this is 0.6, right? So the question is, what is the probability of a student studying science given that the student is already studying maths? This is conditional probability, right? So conditional probability of happening the event science for which already max is an event happened. So this will be P of S given M, right? So what is P of S given M? Here P of S given M will be P of S intersection M, that is already known to us, and divided by P of M, right? This is the basic formula for conditional probability. So this will be 0.4 divided by 0.6, and we will end up the answer 2 by 3, which is our C option. Are you clear? Now this is the next question, and still for the sixth question also one was having the doubt. Sorry. Okay, a letter is taken at random from the word. Yeah, I know where you have got wrong. I think many of you should have the doubt for this question because there is a slight difference in the question. It's not G, it's S. Sorry for the mistake. A letter is taken at random from the word statistics, and another letter is taken at random from the word assistant. The probability that they are same letters is. Okay. So the one who have not got the answer for this, just try once more. I think I made a mistake in the question so that you can't reach up to the answer. So try it yourself and then play the video. So the sixth question, actually we need to find out the pairs separately. When we are taking two A's from this and this, the probability will be this. P of A's will be 2 by 9 into 1 by 10, right? From this it will be 2 by 9, and from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From this it will be 1 by 10, and from this it will be 2 by 9, plus P of S will be 3 by 9 into 3 by 10, plus P of T's will be 2 by 9 into 3 by 10, and P of I's will be 1 by 9 into 2 by 10, right? So in order to find the probability, add this P of A's, P of S, P of T's, P of I's. Why are we excluding C and N? Because C and N is not common to both of the words. So we can't take spontaneously C from first word and from second word. So we are going with A, S, T and I, which is common to the both words. Okay. Now when we sum these probabilities, we will get it as 19 by 90, which is our C option. Now 8th question also one asked one doubt. So today is Monday, after 61 days it will be. So actually I have discussed the concept of odd days, right? So first of all we need to find out the odd days in this 61 days. So it will be 61 by remainder of 61 by 7, and we will get this as 5. So 5 odd days are there. If we are starting with Monday, for 0 odd days, 0 the day will be Monday, for 1 the day will be Tuesday, and it goes like that. So for 5th odd day, the day will be what? Saturday, in case we are starting the week with Monday. Okay, but actually we regularly start with the Sunday. So in many problems the starting of the week will be Sunday, and hence 0 will be Sunday, one will be Monday, and so on. But this is a peculiar type of question where the starting is Monday. So we need to place the digit 0 in place of Monday and 1 in place of Tuesday, and so on. So the fifth odd day will be Saturday. Okay. So the answer will be D. Ninth question, nobody has any doubt. So, but I will just discuss. Okay, three dots and 3 lines. 3 lines upside down and 3 dots as it is. Okay. Now the next question is, we have the pair similarity over here. This object upside down, but these objects will be as it is. So in this case, C option, it is like this. So this option will be upside down, which is like this, and the 2 dots will be as it is. So this will be the correct option, which is C, right? Or figure 3. Now this is the next question, count the number of faces. No one has any doubt, but someone asked what is the answer. Is the option is C. Sorry, the option is not C or 4. Okay. We can find the hidden faces from this figure. One is over here in the tree. One is lying down here, and still we can see his face. And one is climbing over that laying man. What a brutal thing he is doing, right? And one lady is sitting over here. Now we have 4 faces, and all together you can see a face like this. Here is his eyes, here is his nose, here is his lips. Are you seeing that man who is hiding throughout this image? Okay, so the total number of faces will be 5. I think you are clear. Now the next question is, spot the number of differences. Nobody has any doubts. Actually, the number of differences out here is 7. Okay. Now the next question, pick out the best words which describe this image. Somebody was having doubt. So is there any datum? I have already discussed what datum is in one of my previous videos when one asked a doubt about datum. So datum is a line or plane where everything is arranged around. So we can see in this picture clearly that along this rod everything is placed, right? So there is a datum. And is there any symmetry? No. And there is no contrast, much contrast. There is balance, asymmetrical balance, and there is scale. There is a slight blurred effect, but it's not that the city altogether is blurry, but the image is blurry, but it's not much prevailing in it. So we can keep it aside. We need to find out the 5 best words, right? Is there any radiation? It's not a radiation, but it's perspective that we feel like everything is radiating like this. It's due to perspective, right? So we can cut radiation. And is there any vibrating effect? No. Is there any rhythm? No. So perspective is there, scale is there, balance is there, datum is there. So obviously we need to take our blurry aside. So the 5 words are datum, then balance, then scale, then blur, then perspective. Okay. Now this was our last question. Which illusion consists of a two-dimensional figure such that a circle or square superimposed over a background of radial lines, and this will make this two-dimensional figure look three-dimensional or bulging out like that. As in the figure you can see two-dimensional square feels like bulging out from the background, right? Actually this is two-dimensional. Nobody have provided any shades or any shadows in order to feel it like a three-dimensional figure, but the curves or lines, radiating lines makes it appear a little distorted and also a little bulged or three-dimensionality. And this effect or this illusion is known as Orbison illusion. Okay, Orbison illusion. So this is a new word for you. Okay, that is Orbison illusion. And yes, we will discuss about more types of illusion like Sander illusion, Wundt illusion, filling in, etc. in our upcoming videos. Okay, now you should learn what is Orbison illusion. This is an illusion where some radiating lines or curves or ellipses like this will make out a two-dimensional object three-dimensional or bulging out or distorted due to this background. Okay, so that is Orbison illusion. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe, share and comment. And if you have not got the PDF yet, then go for Telegram and type in the search button, the search option, arc at arc habitu channel YouTube. Okay, then you will find our channel and do join to the channel, then you will get regular PDFs. Okay, so thank you.